Let's go across to Kapil Kaul. He's now with us on a better line. Kapil, what is the sense that you get about Jet Airways with the news flow coming in? First, you had the 60-day issue of cash. Then you had some comments coming in the AGM, and now results being deferred.
So, good afternoon. Firstly, I would say that as for the deferment of the results, from our perspective, one doesn't want to really speculate. It is a surprising development, and I would like to comment on it once we get more information. But overall, as from Jet's perspective is concerned, I think at an industry level there is stress, and at Jet's level that's stress, and it will be reflected in the numbers and the developments that go forward.
Right. What do you expect in terms of stress to be? I mean, Jet has been operating for a while, continuously losing market share since new players have come. And you think the balance sheet will not be able to support any further debt now?
Well, I think there's no question of having a debt any further because it's reasonably high leverage that the airline already has. One of the key things going forward would be required is recapitalization of the company. The recapitalization of the company is, my assessment, a very critical development. Any other, what you call any other developments that normally will have to happen, will restructuring efforts and anything else that the company does. That's an exercise that will happen parallelly. But without recapitalization, it's extremely difficult for revival to happen. So recapitalization is critical, and with that recapitalization, whichever strategic investor is coming into the company, he has to be a guarantor to the $400 million refinancing that is required to be done. So these are two critical milestones, and that will actually make sure that the executional efficiency of the restructuring efforts that the Jet has will be much faster and effective. But without having the recapitalization, which is significant, I think the restructuring efforts would have a very limited impact.
All right. Kapil, thanks much for joining us with your perspective on what's really transpiring and unfolding at Jet Airways at this point of time.